To our Regional Governor, Davao Region 6, Eagle Erdito Viva. Good evening, Kuya. To the very supportive governors who are present this evening, the Governor of Davao Region 5, Eagle Richard Chu. Good evening, Kuya. The Governor of Region 7, Eagle Nash Campo Redondo. Good evening, Kuya. To our field director, Eagle Rivoni Boy Agustin. Good evening, Kuya. To our Rossi director, Eagle Ricky Gabrielto. Good evening, Kuya. And to the presidents of all clubs, good evening. To our guests of honors that will be properly introduced later, good evening. Mga kuya, mga ate, friends of Eagles, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. As I stand before you today, I am deeply humbled and profoundly honored to accept the responsibility that has been bestowed upon me as the President of Royal Davao Eagles Club. This club has a very rich history and its unwavering commitment to unity, leadership, and service that has been a beacon of light for many, including myself. To be entrusted with this task and responsibility of leading such a distinct organization is not just an honor, but also a challenge that I wholeheartedly accept. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who supported me in this journey. To my fellow fraternal members, your faith in my abilities and your unwavering support have been invaluable. I am deeply grateful for your trust, and I promise to do my utmost to honor that trust. To the outgoing officers, thank you for setting the standard of leadership. Your dedication and commitment have been an inspiration, and I hope to continue the legacy that you have built. As I step into this role, I am aware of my responsibilities that come with it. I am committed to leading with integrity and compassion, and with a relentless focus on our fraternal mission. I understand that leadership is not about authority. It's about service. It's about inspiring others, making a difference, and leaving a lasting impact. I look forward to working with all of you as we continue to uphold the values of our fraternal goal and serve our community. I am confident that together we can overcome any challenges that come our way and continue to soar to greater heights, much like the eagles that symbolize our fraternal organization. I want to express my sincere appreciation for this opportunity, and I am excited about the journey ahead, and I am committed to serving our community through the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, to the best of my ability. Thank you. God bless. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Thank you, Kuya Alfie, for that wonderful message.